Are you getting married soon? Or just want that stunning bridal glow without spending thousands at the salon? In today's video, I'm sharing an age-old beauty secret straight from traditional bridal skincare rituals, a powerful DIY body polish and face pack made with rice and turmeric. Let's dive in and reveal the glowing skin you deserve. In a clean bowl, mix 2 tablespoons rice flour with 1/2 tablespoon turmeric powder. Add a few drops of rose water to get the desired consistency. Mix it all well until you get a smooth, thick paste. Apply a thin, even layer of the pack all over your face. Apply generously to arms, back, neck, and legs. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Once semi-dry, gently scrub in circular motions using your fingertips. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more bridal skincare and DIY beauty tips.